What do you suggest? We have some mental health issues, and he's not on medications because he doesn't have health care.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're stepping into a tense sentencing hearing that's about far more than fines and probation. It's about mental health, redemption, and the system's attempt to give someone a second chance instead of another number in the prison system. The defendant, a young man who's put himself through college after leaving Detroit, faces sentencing for a prior offense. But there's a twist. The judge believes his struggle with untreated ADHD and lack of access to healthcare played a major role in what happened. Will the court show compassion or call him out for irresponsibility? Stay tuned, because what unfolds here isn't just legal procedure, it's a window into how mental health can make or break someone's future in the justice system.
All right, we're here for sentencing. You entered a plea on September 9th. According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at $1,000 fine. The state recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking into consideration 2025 PF 20245. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. We think the PSI speaks for itself. He has had some issues, but he did take full responsibility. He knows he could have done things differently, and we pray that the court follows the plea agreement.
All right, anything from the state?
No, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused. All right, so what were your issues on this day?
Not too sure.
Well, I mean, they're recommending that you be placed on the mental health caseload. And I know there were previous hospitalizations for him. So are you current on your medications?
For severe ADHD.
I'm sorry?
No, not for the severe ADHD. I have some from college when the doctor prescribed some left over, but I don't take it on a daily.
Okay, when's the last time you saw a doctor?
Since I came here to college, put myself through college, I haven't been able to get health care really.
Okay. Because it seems to the court, and correct me if I'm wrong, counsel, that there is mental health issues according to the PSI report.
According to the PSI, Your Honor. Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't mean.
No. So he needs to figure out how to obtain his medications, because otherwise there may be issues for him. And it appears that part of the reasons for this happening, and the reason I'm assuming the state offered him deferred adjudication, is because of mental health issues.
Yes, Your Honor. And the PSI, I believe, addresses the Genesis program. I also conferred with probation as it relates to kind of the ins and outs of that program.
Mhm.
And I'd also discussed that with Mr. Reason, anticipating that the court would probably pick up on that. And so we don't have any objections if the court were to order him into that caseload, Judge.
All right. And are you living by yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I just got my first apartment.
Okay. And do you have any family support here or no?
I came to Texas in 2018 and put myself through college and leave Detroit, and I've just been doing life on my own since, trying my best.
Okay. Ms. Abrams?
Here's where this case really strikes a chord. The judge zeroes in on the defendant's lack of access to medication and healthcare, something so many people struggle with. Instead of immediate punishment, the court is considering a mental health caseload, which essentially means probation with added therapy and medical oversight. It's a recognition that mental illness can fuel criminal behavior, and that treatment can be a form of justice too. But notice how calm and cooperative the defendant is. He's not combative, not defensive, just honest about trying to survive on his own. The question is, will this empathy from the bench lead to real rehabilitation, or will the system set him up for failure again? What do you think? Should mental health ever excuse bad choices, or just help explain them?
What do you suggest? We have some mental health issues, and he's not on medications because he doesn't have health care. And you all are recommending the mental health caseload. Should I also refer him to Center for Healthcare Services, or? Okay. All right. So what do you need from the court to be successful?
I asked the probation officers for resources to help me with like food and things like that, just to help me set myself up for success.
Okay. And
And I
are
got those
you,
resources?
so you have an apartment. Are you employed?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And what do you do?
I am a sales associate. I used to before this, which I'm hoping to go back to. I was a supervisor at the airport for plane refuelers.
Okay.
It's pretty fun.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine. That will be probated. There should be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Taking consideration 2025 PF 20245. 4 years deferred adjudication. 200 hours of community service restitution. No possession or ownership of any animals. The MIC caseload. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation. Is there anything else that's recommended?
Definitely.
All right, when you see probation, you need to make sure that they know that you need to seek help with Center for Healthcare Services.
Sure.
And I know they'll do it, but sometimes people forget.
Yeah.
Sometimes things fall through the crack. And how do you spell your last name?
Reason. Reason.
All right, so the record will reflect that the last name is spelled Reason, not Reeson. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and
Yes.
sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you.
And happy belated birthday.
Oh, it's not belated. I celebrate that.
And there you have it. 4 years of deferred adjudication, community service, restitution, and a mental health supervision program. In other words, this young man gets another chance, not another cell. It's a rare moment where the court prioritizes rehabilitation over retribution, acknowledging that untreated conditions like ADHD can derail even the most determined lives. The judge's balance of accountability and compassion is a reminder that justice isn't always about punishment. Sometimes, it's about giving people the tools to do better. What's your take? Did the judge get it right here? Drop your thoughts below. And if you found this case as eye-opening as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful courtroom breakdowns every week.